guys, it's me, Shopaholic Sammie, and yes, I've shopped again. And even though summer is my favorite season, I love the outfits in fall and winter. Oh, I love them, love them, love them. So it is that time for our fall/winter Walmart haul. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Walmart has pulled out all the stops, and they have such cute things this year. I will give you a prelude that they have raised their prices. Before, when I was doing hauls or when I was going to Walmart, I could get so much for such a good price. Cheap. Now, I'm looking at my bank account. I'm like, okay, wait. This is like H&M, Express. Like, we're getting up there. I mean, still cute, still reasonable. Some pieces are still very reasonable, especially like the jeans and stuff like that. But we're going to get into this haul in just a minute. I went a little wild because it is such a good haul. But first, if you have not been to my channel, if this is your first time, welcome. This channel, you will find the bargains, the deals, sales, everything that your little heart desires as a shopper, for the cheap. Okay, we don't spend money here. We don't like to spend. We like to buy, but not spend. I know that sounds crazy, but we just want to stay within a budget, right? I feel like everybody's trying to stay within a budget, so that's what we try to do. Get cute stuff within a budget and stay there. So I will tell you when sales are going on, what looks cute, when looks cute, and when's a good time to buy, and at many different stores. So if that is you, if you are the budget shopper but still want to look cute, bougie on a budget, you come to the right place. So let's get into it. So this first look, I love. I paired it with a pair of brown boots. The jeans are my favorite, no boundary. I love no boundary jeans. I love the way they fit. They hug you. They show your curves. No boundary, button fly skinny jeans. They're probably called button fly because they have so many buttons, but I like that. Sometimes you don't always want a zipper. You just want to like button it up, and then you have those cute gold accents with the buttons. I like that. So these jeans are super cute, fit me really well. I paired them with this faux leather brown vest from Walmart. Very cute. It's from Scoop. Now this one was a little pricey. I don't know if it's worth the price, but it was very cute. The price is $39. So you know with tax, that's probably like $41, $42. Like, I don't know if it's worth that. It's cute though. It's super cute. And I like the way it's fitting. But $39 Walmart, oof. But it's very cute. Maybe we gotta wait till it comes on sale. But very cute. And paired it with the boots, some brown accessories, gold accessories, and the also jeans. Just so you know, sorry, we had a friend. Bella's here to visit. Just so you know, I got the jeans in a size 9. I fluctuate between size 7 and a size 9. And then I got the vest in an extra small. So the vest runs big because I got an extra small. That was the only thing that was left. I normally wear medium, small, or medium on the top, but extra small fit me in the vest. So, and it was still able to button up. So just so you know. Next up was one of my favorite things in the haul. I love me a good baby doll dress, especially in the winter with a pair of boots. I didn't put it on with a pair of boots, but with a pair of boots, this would be just, So from Free Assembly, it is a smock waist, long sleeve mini dress, and it's in plaid, which is so fall, winter. Love it. And it's like the blue, green, red plaid. I like that mix. Combination is really cute for the fall and winter. So I wore it with some baby doll platforms, but again, I could have thrown on some boots with this, and I probably will. This is one of my favorites. It's just giving baby doll in the fall. Love it. Has pockets. It just accentuates. It gives you this little cutesy look, but then also feminine. Just, I love it. I love it. It was $32, but worth the $32 because this is cute. You could roll the sleeve. You could wear it long. You could throw a vest on it. It's cute, guys. This next outfit is like cute mixed with edgy. I love it. It's giving biker babe. Maybe not, but it's cute, guys. It's all black. Let's start with the pants. The pants are Madden NYC brand, and they're junior faux leather jogger pants. I mean, what? Usually I have a pair of leather pants, faux leather pants. They're like tight legging pants, and I love them, but sometimes you want to just be loose and free and give this different look, right? And I love the fact that these are joggers because they're comfy. Like, I didn't feel stuffy. They're just comfortable. And then I paired it with my favorite, no boundaries, junior mock neck bodysuit. And I went crazy with this one. It was only $9.98. So I got it in black, white, and green, but it was like a forest green, like that Christmas type of green. Oh, guys. But $9.98, I mean, and you know, I love me a good little turtleneck, faux neck, whatever, mock neck. You can't beat it in the winter. It just gives class and elegance and a little edge. So here's the black one paired with the faux leather pants. And I'm loving this. The shoes, my booties are actually from Walmart too. They're 2 seasons ago, I think. I got them 2 seasons ago. They're glitter booties. I don't know if they'll bring them back, but I loved them, and that's why they're on my feet right now. I loved them. Walmart always has really, really good shoes. I didn't do any shoes in this haul, but these shoes are from Walmart 2 seasons ago. And since I mentioned the top being $9.98, the faux leather pants are $25. So the faux leather jogger pants were $25. Not bad for joggers. Somewhere else they would be a lot more, so pretty good price. And I switched it up, made it a little more elegant, and I'm giving you 2 looks here. So I already wore this out, but this is the try on part, and then you'll see the one where I wore it out. I love this outfit. I got a lot of compliments when I wore it out. It just gives a little bit more elegance and class. The leather one did too, but this gives a change up on the look. These trousers or pants, time and true, they're mid-rise satin pant. So I love them. They're $19.98, so not a bad price at all. And again, like I said, I've already worn them. I wore them to brunch last weekend, which is really nice and very fall-ish giving style. I think I wore them to work already. I got a lot of compliments there too. So very versatile. You can wear it different places and just gives you a little bit of class, a little bit of pizzazz. So I like both looks. And the mock turtleneck bodysuit is just doing it. Like, it elevates the look completely. So, and while we're on pants, this next look, I fell in love with right away. It is perfect for the holiday season when you have to go visit family, when you're doing Friendsgiving, when you're just seeing people. It's so holidays. It's also from Time and True. It is a velvet wide leg pant, only $16.98. I got it in burgundy. I'm not sure if it comes in any colors. I will, if they are, I will find them and I will link it here and let you see it. But I only found burgundy. All the things I found were in the store. I did not buy anything online, FYI. Sometimes I get impatient and don't want to wait, or sometimes I'm just at the store and see all the finds and I'm like, yay. So everything was in store. I will link everything that I can find online as well so that you guys can also purchase from online. But this look is just Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the holidays, everything. It is giving greatness. I love it. The velvet just screams upgrade. It gives it just this elegance. And velvet to me, just like, I don't know if it's because of like Santa Claus's velvet, like his velvet jumpsuit or whatever you want to call it, his jacket. It's that homey comfort type of vibe, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm stretching, guys, but that's what I get. I love it. Also, I'm gonna throw up here, you can see from Time and True, it's the travel pouch, a 2-piece travel pouch set. It was on sale for $5. So the one that I got 2, So the one that I got had the bigger piece came in pink, and the second piece came in burgundy, a smaller piece. And what a better pairing than these burgundy velvet pants with the small pouch. I love it. And then while we're on there, the other set that I got was green. So it was a like olive green color and more of a darker green color. Both bags can be separated. They're just on by like a gold clasp. You can put the hanging part on either the larger or the smaller pouch. You can connect them together. You can wear them separately. I thought they were really cute. They're travel pouches. So the inside just has the 2 pockets there, but I would so wear these out. You can fit a lot of things in them. They look like fanny packs to me without the strap. So I would fit all my things in there and just tuck it right under my arm. So that's the plan. I love it. For $5, you get 2 bags. Can't beat it. Then back to my favorite, No Boundary jeans. Fit like a glove. I got a lighter color. And I would more wear this in the spring or summer, but sometimes you just want to throw on a lighter color to match like a flannel or something else. So I did pair it with this free assembly button-down flannel. I love the colors. They're like green, pinks, and like burgundy in there. And you know, I love me a good pink, guys. If you know me, I love pink. Nickname Lady Pink. I love pink. So anything with a little hint of pink, a lot of pink, I just love it. Pink, pink, pink. And the flannel was on sale for $11. They also had this other color that I liked, which was like mustard or like a deep yellow with some navy blues and other colors that I really liked. I might go back and get that one. I liked that one a lot. And then I love a high waist, high rise skinny jean. Always a must-have, always. The top that I have underneath is actually a bodysuit. I was trying on a bodysuit from the TikTok body shop. You can go to my other video to see how that panned out. But I just wore it as a shirt underneath, which really matched, and it went well. So the jeans were $10.88, which is a steal. So I love me some No Boundaries. Affordable. And so let's get into this dress. You know, I just love me a good dress. And a sweater dress in the winter. Ooh. And then winter colors. And it is like a forest green, deep green type of color. And from Free Assembly. It is a midi length, is what they say. But I'm 5'3", so it looks pretty long on me, which I don't mind. So Free Assembly, long sleeve, turtleneck sweater dress for $26. Price point is a little more than I would have loved to pay, but it's kind of sort of worth it, guys. It has this little slit in the side, as you can see. Love it. It exposes a little leg, but still modest. Like, you could wear this to work, you could wear this to church, brunch, just a nice little outing. It could be for family pictures. It's great to match with colors because it's solid. I love this dress. Then back to my favorite, No Boundaries. So, another bodysuit. Walmart is just doing it with bodysuits, but I realized I like bodysuits more and more. I used to think they were such a hassle because you have to snap and do all that stuff, but they really shape you. Like, having a bodysuit just brings the outfit just in. I don't know what it is. So, I got these No Boundary double layer V-neck bodysuits. And they come in different colors. So I got a mocha color and a green, like the deep green, the winter green, that I absolutely love. I'm not sure if there are more colors. Those are the 2 that I found in store. I will look online. If there are more, I'll put it right here for you. So gorgeous neckline. It gives you that great V, but like not too deep and not too much, but it's just nice. And then just really fitted because of the bodysuit. Love it. It's really nice. Easy to accessorize, easy to throw on under something. Really cute. Walmart is just killing it with bodysuits, guys. Just really cute. And oh my gosh, guys, this might be I don't know if it's my favorite or second favorite piece in the whole haul, but this brand is Celebrity Pink, and it is a faux Sherpa jacket. It is so cute. I love the faux Sherpa, like wool accents on the jean jacket. Is just a vibe, guys. I love this. I feel so cute in it. I don't even know what to say about it. It's warm. It is jean. It's not lined. I'll show you guys in a second. It's not lined, but it's still very, very warm and comfy. And it is going to be a hit this winter for me. I love this. I just love this. It even kind of goes with the jeans I have on. I don't know if I would do a jean on jean combination. It kind of looks cute this way, but you could also pair it with other things. So I'm excited to rock this one. As you can see, I said it's not lined on the inside. It's just jean, but it's still very, very warm. And it was $29.50, guys. $29.50, which, yeah, it's a little, but it's good for a jacket. I mean, like, you can't beat it. I already have it on, but I'm going to throw it up here because I did do a try on. No boundary, junior, long sleeve, mock neck top for $7.95, guys. $7.95. So cute. It's in navy blue here, but it does come in other colors. I will throw them up on the screen. But I don't have a navy blue one. I have some other colors. Not necessarily in this, but I do have some other mock neck turtlenecks, and I needed this color. So I got this color. I love it. Kind of look like I want to throw up a little meme here so you can see, but I kind of look like Dwayne The Rock Johnson with all this jewelry and the mock neck. But it's okay. It's still cute. I don't care. So anyway, this was the end of the haul for now. If I find more stuff, you know I'm coming back, because Walmart always brings the stuff in the winter, guys. They just have it. Or I will go in on the shoes, because I did see some shoes I like. I'm just going to throw one up right here for you and let you see it, because I didn't get it. It was just in the store, and I had to take a video because it was so good. So until next time, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to shopping. Ciao.